Assalamu alaikum, my beloved students of class 5. How are you all? Hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine by the kindness of Allah the Exalted. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. This is Wahid Noor, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies, National Ideal English Version School Day Sheet. Today I am going to take the class of Islamic Studies for class 5. And today our topic is BQ 7 and 8, Part 3 from exercise chapter 1, lecture number 16, and there is no HW. My beloved students, keep attention, there is no HW. So students, in your exercise chapter 1, there are 8 BQ broad question. So this is the last part, BQ number 7 and 8. And inshallah from the next class, we will do the competency based broad question. So let's start what here saying. Question number 7. What are the important issues of life hereafter? Answer. The important issues of life after death are given below. My beloved students, here the saying the question is what are the important issues of the next life? I mean which stages we will face after the death. Already you know that stages, that issues which is very indispensable, very necessary for the human beings. Number 1 is grave, then the Qiyamah, then Hashor, then Amul Nama, Mizan, then Jannat, Jahannam. So you will write this and short description you will give there. So number 1 is question and answer in the grave. You know, every human being will go through a question and answer session in the grave. These are, you know this question, Man Rabbuka, my Rabb is Allah, Ma Dinuka, my Deen is Islam, Man Hadha Rajul, he is the Prophet of Allah. So this is the first issues, first step of the life hereafter. Now the second step, second issues, that is comfort or punishment in the grave. So those who will give that 3 answer correctly will get the comfort, otherwise punishment. It's very easy to understand. If we give that question, Man Rabbuka, Ma Dinuka, Man Hadha Rajul, if we give that answer, then we will get the pleasure to the Almighty Allah, otherwise we will face the punishment. Now number 3, Qiyamah. In an appointed day, Allah will destroy the whole world and everything inside it. This day is called Qiyamah. So short description I written here about the Qiyamah. And then number 4, Hashar. All of them will be given, all of them means all of the human beings will be given new life again, and they will come and gather before Allah. This is called Hashar. So this is the definition of Hashar. And then number 5, Mizan, that is Allah will weigh the good and bad deeds of every individuals. Individuals means every human beings, every man. Now number 6, Amul Nama. The books of deeds containing the details of what human beings did while living on earth will be presented in the court of Allah. That is called Amul Nama. My beloved student, this is the kind of definition of Amul Nama. So you can write same definition here, or you can write from yourself what you understand about the Amul Nama. And last number, Jannat and Jahannam. Those who will receive pardon of Allah will go to the paradise. Those who will be punished by Allah will enter into the hell. So students, you have to memorize these 7 steps. But you can write from yourself. You know very easily what question we will face in the grave, and then the result, those who can give the question answer in the grave, otherwise there is the punishment. And then Qiyamah will be held, and then Hashor, every human being will be gathered and they will face the accountability, judgment. And then the Mizan, our good and bad activities will be weighed by a weighing machine. And Amul Nama is there, which we are doing in the worldly life, that is recording in the record book. and lastly the feedback, the consequence, that is Jannat or Jahannam. So you can write from yourself these 7 issues of life hereafter. Now question number 8, write 10 sentences. What should be the character of a Muslim or Mu'min? So there are 10 characteristics of a Muslim and all the characteristics are good. So 10 sentences about the character of a Muslim are given below. Number 1 is a Muslim will have a noble character, I mean the decent character, good character. Number 2, he will keep his mind free from evil thinking. And number 3, he will guard his tongue from telling a lie. And number 4, he will not satisfy hunger with unlawful things. What does it mean? He will not satisfy by taking the unlawful things. It means he will not take the illegal things. I mean he will not eat by earning the illegal way. And he will protect his tongue. I mean he never tell a lie. He will be very decent in behavior, and he will be free from the evil thinking. And now number 5, he will not oppress anyone. Oppress means torture, hurt. Number 6, he will not allow his ears to hear impious discussion. I mean impious discussion means the bad discussion. I mean indecent discussion. I mean your another friends, they are talking about any illegal things or the indecent things, but you don't hear that. You shouldn't hear that. So those are the Muslim or Mu'min, they will be free from there. Now number 7, he will protect himself from looking at with an evil eye. I mean he will not look to the bad things. Now number 8, he will never set his foot to do an unlawful act. Number 9, he will love honesty and justice most. And last number, he will hate oppression and injustice. So those persons who have these characters, they will be successful. My beloved students, here I written all of the decent, the good behavior of a Muslims or Mu'min. So if you want to write out of these 10, you can write. But I will advise to you, among the 10, at least 6 or 7 you should learn that. Or if you understand that answer, it's very easily you can memorize. So that's all for today, my dear students. And I already told you there is no HW. Keep practicing at home to abide by your parents. See you next class, inshallah. Till then, assalamu alaikum.